guys, welcome to another episode of Accra With Day here on MX84 Television. I am Chichi Ebefa. We are set, everything is ready, camera ready, everything, car, everything. And we are hitting the streets right now to go and look for the hustler and interact with the hustler. What is your story? Hopefully it inspires you. Come with me and let's get to it. I'm all dressed and ready to serve you with Accra With Day. Let's go. So guys, guess the hustler I just met. A fruit seller. Yes, we always patronize them, but what is your story? I'll be finding out. Hello, madam. Nice to meet you. Please, first of all, let's bring the things. Asha, good morning.
Morning.
Please, what's your name?
My name is Mavis Ajanchi.
Mavis. Nice to meet you. I am MFA.
I am Mavis.
Okay, nice to meet you. How long have you been selling?
5 years.
5 years? Wow. How did you start?
I start from my hometown.
Where's your hometown?
Aplau.
Okay, so you were selling fruits in Aplau. So what made you come to Accra?
I come to Accra 7 years now.
Why did you leave Aplau to Accra?
Because of business in no fruit here. So I come to Accra, so I will sell it so you get to take home.
So you were selling the fruits in Aplau.
Yes.
So when you were moving to Accra, did you have where to stay? Do you have somebody you came here to stay with?
I stayed with my husband's place.
Okay. So you moved to Accra. Did you move together with your husband? Or you moved just you? So you're the only one at home?
Yes.
Okay. So how much do you make from selling fruits?
A day or?
A day.
A day.
Say a day.
A day, 50 Ghana. In all, 50 Ghana, 100 Ghana.
Is that your profit or the entire thing?
My profit is 50 Ghana a day.
Your profit?
50 Ghana a day.
So in a day, the entire thing could be how much?
1.5.
1.5, then your profit will be 50
Ghana.
Okay, so where do you get the fruits from?
Medina.
You buy it from Medina,
yes.
And then you walk
to America House.
Wow, that's a long distance. Don't you get tired by walking?
I'm tired.
I know. So, but why do you have to resort to this business? Why this business? What happened that you have to say, Charlie, things are not going well, so let me start selling fruits?
First, I started business. I buy the clothes to Togo,
Ghana,
Accra.
yeah.
So, no go.
It wasn't going well.
So I'm testing fruits.
So selling fruits is better than the clothes business?
Oh, better than the clothes.
Really? But don't the fruits get spoiled?
Spoiled. If you carry plenty, it's spoiled. Or small.
But and I see that you only sell pineapple and then mango. The other fruits, why pineapple and mango? Why? Because there's apple, there's banana, but you've only taken pineapple and mango. Why?
They're my customer like it.
They prefer this one. So do you have like specific customers that you go to?
Yes.
And then they buy from you every day? So every day you make your money?
I make my money.
At what time do you start?
I start at 8 o'clock.
8 in the morning?
Okay. I call 2 o'clock or 5 o'clock.
What's the longest distance you've ever walked? How far have you walked, say, from here to American House? Have you walked farther than this?
Farther than anytime I take this and not finish, I walk to the Opongo.
Wow. From Medina
to Opongo.
Don't you get tired? This is a lot of work. So when you get the money, how do you spend it? What do you use it for?
I use it for TITHES and my children's school fees, all top money. I spend for our house.
So this is what you used to fend for your children.
Yeah.
How do you deal with the stress? The children. How old are your children?
My first born is 18 years.
18 years. Wow. Then he's old enough. Wait, is he in school?
He's in school.
Which school?
Medina number 1.
SHS or VHS?
HSS.
SHS. Oh, okay. How much are you able to even give them a day? Because if you're making 50 cedis, how will you spend the 50 cedis a day?
Sometimes, 100 Ghana, sometimes 70 Ghana.
money would you be able to give the children? How much do you give them? How do you spend it?
40 Ghana a day.
So you give them 40 cedis to school, and then you 10 cedis. What? How would you use the 10 cedis?
10 cedis in the toko ananya hasana Mr. Nyamako.
So now I've spoken to you small. Let me try and then sell. It's looking heavy. The Lord is my strength. Let me do this. So Pacho, help me. Pacho, money way. Hey God, this looks really heavy. Okay. Okay. It's not as heavy as I thought. So I think you hold this one.
I hold this one.
Okay.
This one, so I hold it.
Hey, so how do you hold this one too? With the same hand? Hey God, it's not easy. Oh. Oh my God. So when you're walking, do you have to say something or you just walk and be? Oh Charlie, this one is just prayer in your head though. Because I don't think they say fruits. They don't shout, right? Yeah, but I'm wondering, how did you end up on the streets? How did you end up on the street? Because maybe your time, there was school and things like, did you go to school? How did you end up on the streets?
I don't go to school anymore.
Okay. So when you were young, you didn't go to school?
I go to school.
You went to school. So how did you stop, or why did you stop schooling?
Because of the money. My mother did not have the money, so I continue.
Where do you stay? In Accra?
East Legon.
You stay in East Legon. How is your house like? Because East Legon houses are really expensive. So how is the house like?
Single room.
Single room, self-contained.
Single room and porch.
Single room and porch with your 2 children. Wow. Interesting. Okay. At this point that I'm not making any sales here. It looks like I have to work for a long time before I sell. Hey, this work is hard though. Pacha obetezi.
Mango ni ese.
Pacha ese.
Mango ni 10 cedi.
10. And how much is
Ni
it?
8 cedi. Pineapple 10 cedi.
I want mango, soft one.
Hey. Okay.
I want soft one.
So how will you know if it's a soft or short? It's hard.
This one is soft.
It's
and
soft.
This one
Okay.
is hard.
Okay. I finally made 1 sale. Jesus Christ. Wow. Let's see if I can sell another thing. Let's see if I can sell another one. Okay. Now that is my shoe. Okay guys. Second round. Hopefully somebody buys from me. But like, hello. But do you people say fruits? Like, do you call out for people to buy? Do you say something when you are walking?
I will say something if I read my customers, so I read them. So
buy okay.
It.
So
someone
you just
will buy,
them
someone
and
so no buy it.
Okay, let's go to this side. Your job, yeah, it's not small. Because we've been working. We've not even gotten any, just one. Wow. So do you go home and then you don't even you don't make money at all?
Sometimes.
Sometimes
it's free, sometimes no finish.
Wow. So when it doesn't finish, do you put it in the fridge? How do you preserve it?
I put it the front.
But looking forward, is there aside this business, is there something that you would want to do, you're saving money to do, like another business you want to invest in? What is it?
I buy fridge, so sell drink and pure water.
Okay. You already have that business or you already have it? Wow, at where?
at East Legon.
Okay, so you sell pure water over there. So there's somebody at the shop selling pure water. So that business and this business, you are making small money from it. What is that one thing that you wish from your children, that you pray to God every day that, God, this is what I want you to do for my children?
I pray to God say, help me so my children go to school, so that we have the money, so take care of me.
Guys, it's not easy on the streets. It's so not easy. I've been trying to sell fruits and it's not better at all. So when you see them on the streets, be kind to them, be nice to them. They are hustling for a reason. They are hustling for a reason. I am Chichi MFI and I hope you enjoyed this episode of Accra With Day. Thank you.